Hey, this is what we're getting for Ate Paris. Look. 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 That one. Do you like it?
We'll buy it.
Yeah? We'll buy it? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Winham Plaza, guys, kasi bibili tayo ng regalo for Ate Paris' birthday this coming Saturday. So, our Ate Paris is turning 5 and yeah, while nasa school siya, ay bibilhan natin siya ng kanyang regalo. Sasama sana si Daddy Mike, guys, kaya nga lang alam niyo naman kung gaano siya ka-busy sa work. And sabi niya, makakaalis lang siya at 3. But, we have to pick up Ate Paris at 3 o'clock as well. So, it's not gonna work. So, naisipan ko na kami na lang ni Baby Celine yung pupunta dito. This is actually further na Kmart kumpara sa Canon Hill. So, Canon Hill is only like 5-6 minutes away from us. This one is around 20-ish. The reason being is, yung hinahanap ko na regalo for Ate Paris is hindi available doon sa Kmart na malapit sa amin. Tinawagan ko sila kaninang umaga. I'm super happy that I called them first, guys, kasi para hindi ma-waste yung time natin na punta tayo doon tapos wala pala. So, they directed me here sa Kmart ng Winham Plaza kasi meron daw silang 3 available. So, ito siya kanina. Dapat mamaya pa sana kami, guys. But this little one here ay nagnap. Tapos lumabas lang ako ng very light. Nagising siya, guys. Kaya sabi ko, alis na lang tayo. Uy, matulog ka sa sasakyan. Pagdating namin sa sasakyan ay tingnan nyo naman, gising na gising. Oh. Sige pa kayo, kalimutan ko. Ba. Say hi, tita and tito. Yes? Say hello. Bibilhan natin sa Ate Paris ng kanyang regalo. Yes. So, we'll go now, guys. So, see you there. Bye. You're so cute. Yes. So, first time pala namin dito, guys. It's cool. Meron silang mga ganyan. Mga little shops. Where are you going? Ling? Nanindog na yung buhok, nak. Nak, stress ka na. Stress ka na. Nanindog lang. Meron silang dyan. Oh. Donut. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oopsie. Say oopsie. Strap. Oopsie. Ready? What's that? Peppy. Peppy. Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys, kasi wooden. Sabi nila may stock daw eh. They better have it lang. Asan kaya yan lang? That's different. Fruit and veg. Wooden bistro. Yeah. This way. Oh, it's here, sweetie. Yan yung hinahanap ko, guys. Wooden light up vanity and accessories. Ayan. Pink pala talaga siya. Hala, isa na lang yung naiwan talaga, guys. Hala, meant to be. Yan. Lucky. May naiwan pa na. Honey girl. Hey, this is what we're getting for Ate Paris. Look. That one. Do you like it?
We'll buy it.
Yeah? We'll buy it? Shall we buy it? What do you think? Yes or no?
La
La? Yes or no? Yeah? Look at this one. Light po siya, guys.
Dad!
Lagay na natin, nak. Baka may kumuha pa nito, nak. 8 kilograms. Yeah. Uy. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Ayan, nadala na namin, guys. Ito lang talaga yung kailangan ko dito. Have a look around. Tingnan natin kung meron silang shoes para kay baby Celine, yung open toe ba? Kasi hanggang ngayon ay meron pa rin hindi pa rin okay yung kanyang toe. Okay, ready? Ready? Steady? Go! Shall we go look for shoes? Huh? Shoes? What do you reckon? Shoes? Do you want shoes? Do you want shoes? Kuy, ginawa ko. Tabi ba kay anak? Shoes? Do you want shoes? That's toys. Toys. See? Yes. Not that one. We'll look for something else. What is this? Nana. That's a Nana. What is this? What is this? Apa siya, Nana? Nanis. Look, what's this? What's the sign of this one? What's the sign of the dinosaur? What's the sign of the dinosaur, babe? Mm-hmm. Hmm? Very sharp. Wow, very sharp. It's very sharp, isn't it? Put it back. How about this? Oh, ball. It's a ball. Oop. It's a pink ball. Look, squishy ball. Hmm? What else? What else? Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Look. Boop, 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 boop. I'm scared. You scared? Touch. No? Put it back? Okay, you're scared of that one. Ooh, have a look at that one though. Look. Look. How about that? How about that? Look. Look. What is that? Nay. You have one at home. That's right. That's your name. Look. What's in this one? What's this one? What's this? What is it? Oh no. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you okay? What is this one lang? Bubble. Yes. Good job. That's bubbles. Yes, that's right. Very clever girl. Such a very clever girl, sweetie girl. Yes. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. What is this one? Shoes. Good job. What is that? Bike. Say bike. Alala, gagawas na. Gagawas na. Bubble. We'll buy this one for the Paris too, honey. Maybe this one? Alam niyo ba, gusto niya talaga ng piñata, guys. Sabi ko, hindi naman piñata doon sa kanyang birthday party. So, why not? Piñata na lang kami sa bahay. She really wants one. Bilhin ko to para ma-surprise siya. What do you think, Lini? This one? Or the colorful one? This one, yeah? Nakabili na rin kami ng tawag dito, gift wrapper. I-wrap natin para may thrill. Okay. I think that one will do. Ay, sus, kinahanglan pumanda pang bunal. Lord. Kailangan pa talaga yung bilhin si Paritli, guys. $2. Siya lang din naman yung magbunal-bunal. You and Ate Paris lang. Oh, what's that? What is it? Mommy. Bili tayo ng pang din, guys. Decorate. Kasi Saturday yung birthday niya, so gusto kong pagising niya sa umaga ba. Merong ganito. Yay! Saan ba yung my happy birthday? Oy, ito na lang siguro. My happy birthday. And this one too. Why not? What would you like to do, anak? Shush. I'll give you something. I'll give you your food there. Okay, this one. Yeah, yum. Thank you, Mama. Say thank you, Mama. Agay, kalimut thank you Kalimut thank you kay napuno ng baba. Shush, kanta-kanta na yun. I think that's it, Nak. No. Knock, no. You being naughty to Mama? Sorry. Yeah, hold it. May isa pa akong hinahanap, guys. Hindi ko siya mahanap. Don't me, huh? Shall we get this one? 12:30. Yeah. We need more hangers. Hala, puno naman ang ating na. We'll return the trolley. We'll return to Lini. I'm going now, Ling. Kamusta naman yung accessories na ko eh? See you! I'm going! Bye-bye! You stay here, okay? Mama's going home. Huh? Do you wanna come with Mama? Yes? Mama's going. Stay there, okay? Bye-bye, Lini. Bye-bye. I'm going now. In the car. Yes. Bye-bye. Luoy, manamang bata. Gaan ay. Kagwapa yan yung bata. Yung biyaan sa trolley. Come on. Dito na kami sa school ni Ate Paris. Naglalaro na hinihintay namin. So, ito yung classroom ni Ate Paris, guys. And it's raining. My God. Lala. Gentle. Malaki na talaga ito siya, Gusto niyang mag-slide na siya lang. Yes. Hold on. Sit down. Okay? Oh my God, maulan na guys. Buti na lang, nadala kami ng payong baby Celine, oh. Sobrang aga namin nakarating dito. So, may parking sa harapan. Wala pang masyadong sasakyan kayo na guys. Half an hour early kami. Nak, no? So, from Kmart, diretso na kami dito. Kaya maaga kami. Okay, sit down. Sit down. You have to sit down, okay? Okay, go. Woo! Good job, Lini. Good job. Rain. It's raining. Raining. Oh no. Maybe we should go in there now, Nak. Huh? We'll get wet here. Come. You have to wait patiently. Yeah, yeah. Look. Look, Paris is here. Look, other Paris is coming. Other Paris will come out. Tingnan yung kanyang bibigay. So, oh. Oh, baby! What do you want to do? Yeah? The Paris is here. Just play for a little bit and then we'll go. Okay, alright. Now, you sit in Mama's lap? Yes, come. You open? Good girl. Good job. Selene, come on. It's now 3:20. At nandito na ang ating Ate Paris. Ano daw? You want another one? Okay. Yung binili kong donut kanina sa ano.
It's my favorite, that's why I want a lot of them. That's it's because I want.
You want one too? Here, grab one. Good girls. Gosh! Umuulan guys, tingnan nyo oh.
Oh, Mama.
Hindi naman siya malakas.
Ha.
What did you do today, ate? Hey, what did you do today about school?
Play. Learn.
What did you do? Like, did you draw? Or did you learn about numbers or letters?
We didn't do this today.
Did you go to the library?
That was only for yesterday.
Yesterday?
It had to be. We only go to the library when it's Wednesday.
Okay. Wednesday, Sunday?
When am I going to go to see Mr. Allen?
I don't know. Was it Monday? In the music room?
I think it's Tuesday.
Oh, okay. No, I don't know. Alright, we'll go now. You know that one, guys? Ang ating baby Celine ay hindi na nakatulog since umalis kami ng bahay kanina. So, yung tulog niya ay literally like 5 minutes. So, she's gonna be suki soon. I think she's going to sleep very soon. Have a nap. Kasi hindi siya nakapag-nap na mabuti. Are you tired, te? Ito din siya, guys. Every time na umuwi yan siya from school, she's very tired because, you know, nabaguhan yung katawan niya na all day sa school and it's Monday to Friday. So, she gets really tired and nakakatulog sa couch.
I know the days of the week.
The days of the week?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job. Well done, my love. Very smart.
No.
What do you think you're doing on the floor? Ha? Ang bata nga hilig sa bugnaw, oh. Ligid-ligid sa log. Ligid-ligid sa log, gagaga. Tiki. Uy. You okay? Josh. Mama. Dada. Ate. What did you say?
Don't be angry.
Yeah.
I mean, that's when I say,
Okay, I won't be angry. You tell me, what was the secret?
I don't tell Daddy.
Okay, it's a secret, so I'm not gonna tell Daddy.
Daddy didn't tell me to say it to you, Bangani.
Daddy said to not tell me, but you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I ate 2 sandwiches.
So you had an ice cream.
I mean, I had 3 sandwiches.
So you had ice cream for a treat?
Uh-huh.
What flavor did you have?
And I had,
Okay.
I had lemon.
Okay. So did the daddy say don't tell mama?
But don't tell him. He'll get mad.
Uy, ikaw sad.
It was so...
Wala, tanawa. Tingnan nyo guys. So kinuha niya ang aking socks. Dirty, nak. Dirty! You're a silly girl. Tingnan nyo, dalawa na.
I like a bracelet. I like a bracelet, mine.
Thank you,
Yeah.
See, you have 2. Oh my goodness.
I did that.
You're so fashionista.
Yeah. I know
Yeah?
she doesn't. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm.
That's 5.
It's only 2. Uy, takara ka. See, 1. Ala, you got more.
You
Nakadakan ni mo necklace na.
You thought there was 2.
Yeah. Ha?
You go 1,
Luto agad ni mo na. Manghatag mo ang uban.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She got 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 8.
Careful na ka kay pukul ka na.
Puka na.
May secret pala sila ng daddy niya. Guys, sabi ng daddy niya, huwag niya sabi kay nanay mo na.
Puka nang.
Nag-ice cream ka. Bigyan pala siya ng ice cream ng kanyang brother. Okay.
Slime. Slime.
Ayun, tantang na ako. Sinok. Ay! Ayun, tantang ako pilak. I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. Okay, mamo. Time check. So it's now 5:30. Magluluto na tayo ng ating hapunan. Naglaro-laro kami ng mga kids sa kwarto ba. So, yung lulutuin natin guys is yung nandito lang available. Nagtingin ako sa freezer kanina. Meron tayong chicken. Pero, hindi siya nag-fully, ano ba? To. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa microwave tapos pa-defrost. Quick defrost. And then, meron tayong bihon. Ate! Bihon. What's wrong? Where's the name? Meron tayong bihon dito guys. So, yan yung gagawin natin with chicken. Oh no. Meron pa tayo. Nakalimutan ko. Meron pa tayong white rabbit pa. Asa na ba yung... Ayan. Pansit bihon. Mamasitas na pansit bihon. Soft na guys. Give one to Celine. Oh, get yours first, otherwise she'll take them all.
You got hers, you know.
pwede na nating i-chop ang ating chicken. O, yung naiwan sa ating fridge na ano, meron tayong cabbage, to green beans, carrots, and then just onion, tsaka garlic. Ayan. Ang bilis lang itong lutuin yan. So, yung mga pinamili natin kanina sa tindahan, hindi ko na English para hindi siya makita. Iniwan ko sa likuran ng sasakyan para hindi niya makita. So, mamaya, bababa ako. Ilalagay ko yung mga laruan niya sa garahe. Doon ko yun siya i-wrap. Para wala talaga siyang kaidi-idiya ba. Hey, I'm super excited for Ate Paris. Nak, how many sleeps till your birthday, la? 2. 2. 5 years old na agad. So, si Daddy Mark natin na nandito. He is working until 7. So, late yung start niya kanina. So, every Wednesday and Thursday, si Daddy Mike yung nagda-drop kay Ate Paris sa school. Kasi he's working from home and he starts late. Siya yung nagda-drop. And every Tuesday and Friday, si Daddy Mike ay sa office na work. Actually, nung nakita ko na meron kaming ingredients for bihon, na-excite akong bigla, ha? Ang aking Filipino heart. Aww! May batang natumba. Ito, ice? Oh. Careful na kasi that will be too cold for her lang. Ang saya ng baby na. Umiyak na noon.
Is it feeling better?
You feeling better, Ling? Ate Paris is acting as the doctor daw. You alright, la?
It's lovely, guys.
Oh, kawawa naman natin, baby. Uy, naunsa naman yung kaldero sa loob.
Ling, ice? You want ice?
So, nakat na natin ang ating chicken.
It fell out. The ice cream. See ice? I see ice!
Hoy, careful with that one, ha? Wala, gitagaan like ice di ay. Bantog kayo, very happy. Careful di kasi put the thing in the mouth. Ay, the plastic lang. She's very happy. Binigyan ng ice ng kanyang ate. Bugis-gis niya sa atong baby sa loob. I gave it to her.
Hey, I need it.
It's late now, guys. Kakashower lang ng ating ito Paris. Hindi ko binasa ang kanyang buhok para matulog na to siya. So we're just going to put the cream every morning and night. Cover. So ang ating baby Celine pala ay nakatulog na, guys, kanina pa. Habang kumakain siya ng kanyang dinner ay nagduka-duka siya. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang ikli lang yung tulog niya kayo ng umaga.
Why are you talking like that?
Why?
Why are you talking like Australian?
Why am I not talking like Australian? I'm talking in Filipino. Tagalog.
What did that mean?
Hmm?
What did that mean? What did that mean? Your Pasaya words.
My Bisaya words?
I know Pasaya Pasaya na. Piana. Pieta. Which one?
Pineapple?
That's not piano.
What's pineapple? Aww.
What is it?
Pin?
Yeah.
That's it.
What was salt?
Salt.
Sia?
No. You forgot na, no?
Yeah.
Hala, you need to practice more, honey girl.
Can you just tell me?
What's beautiful?
Pasaya.
Yeah. Sa Bisaya, beautiful.
I don't know.
Gua?
Guata.
Hala, nakulang gila kag
Is it guata?
guapa.
I did it. Guapa.
That's right. How about
Gata.
hot?
Asin.
No, nagpunta ka na.
That is asin. So.
Them with the ball and we went down there and yeah, towards the area was obviously lucky enough for Harry to get there and lucky Harry scored, but I don't want to miss it again. Do we want to go there? Yeah, we'll go there. I've been telling me.
Okay, good night na. Come on.
Do you like your field goals, Ken? Do you enjoy under pressure, seeing that moment, getting your hand on the ball? Oh, well, at the moment, I was looking out that Ferguson's really there.
Kids are now asleep, guys. It's, anong oras na ba ngayon? Hindi ko alam anong oras. Pero ayun, pinatulog ko na rin sa Ate Paris. So now it's time to wash the dishes. Sobrang sarap pala ng aming hapunan, guys. Kanina kumain na kami ng mga kids first kasi may late siya natapos kapag sa bahay siya nag-work kasi late siya nag-start. Kaya inuna ko ng mga kids. Kasi alam niyo ba si Baby Celine, habang nasa high chair, gumagano na siya, oh. Kaya, yun. Niready ko na, pinatulog ko na kaagad. Dami pa naming rice na naiwan. Ayan. So, meron pa tayong pangbukas. Ito.
A few moments later.
We are done cleaning, guys. And it's snack time. Mabilis lang yung paglilinis namin kasi dalawa kami ni Daddy Mike. So lucky that Daddy Mike helps out. Actually, like, you know, cleaning and everything. Lahat dito sa bahay, guys, ay Daddy Mike is always ang tawag dito, tumutulong ba? Kaya madali yung ginagawa. So dito kanina sobrang kalat kasi madilim ba, guys? Sobrang kalat dito kanina kasi nga yung mga kids, di ba? And then after I did the thing, nawala na yung kalat doon and then I just wiped the floor. So yun. And now it's time to have a snack. Pataba. So nag-toast ako, guys. And then, lagyan ko ng smooth hazelnut spread. Oh my goodness. Chocolate tomorrow. Habang manood tayo ng The Voice Kids. Tapos relax konti. And then, it's going to be bedtime. Yan. Diba? Maaga tayo bukas kasi si Daddy Mike mag-work sa office. And si Ate Paris ay tayo yung maghatid kay Ate Paris sa school. So, maaga tayo. Anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. I can hear Daddy Mike's having a shower now. I'll just do a quick shout out. Thank you sa inyong lahat, guys, for always watching our video. Sobrang na-appreciate ko, guys. Shout out to Yet Balino, Marilu Bilarmino, Sweet Shy Kulit, Erlinda Dimzon, Marisa Serrano, Chris Real Aman Esin, hello. Fe Guarnes, Lolita Lacuesta, Nori Aliada, JBC, Jean Bagsik, Merly Coley, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Luz Biminda, Arabia, Belinda Jesus, Lilian Sulibio, Roresa Camposano, Susan Villar, Celine, Feli Lamparo, Rosel Flor, Lenny Langit, Richard Antiga, Mami Rose Tabalye, hello, Maricar Castaneda, Ria Ann Capa, Ashik Live, Erlinda Basa, Babes Huada, hello, Melit Bernardo, and Star Gemini. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!